Hey guys, it's Plane Fleet here, and today I am back with another airplane video, and I will be doing a video on my Darren airplanes fleet. So I'm just going to be going over all my Darren airplanes. So yeah, let's get started. Right here we have a Hawaiian A330. Right here we have an American 777. And we have a JetBlue A319. Then right here we have a British Airways 747, two Alaskan 737s right there, JetBlue A319, United 747, Southwest 737, another Southwest 737, but this one's in a heart livery. Air Canada 777, Frontier A319, WestJet 737, and then last we have a UPS 747. So yeah, that was my Darren Airplanes fleet. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, I have 15 Darren airplanes. So, yeah, hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!